Yeah, I can give you the recording. Okay. I upload on the YouTube and you can feel free to watch it.
Always forget to record.
Yeah, it's okay now. We can record now, right?
Watch it. So wait, do I go on your YouTube channel?
Yeah, I will tell you which link I will send to you. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So plus, right? 128/9, right?
Yeah.
Is equal to, I give you the answer. You guys can go calculate it.
Yeah, Mac.
Okay, then with the V equals,
It's minus.
Minus.
Yay.
right? So
Yeah.
now you know, let me see. So now you know what is Y, right? So Y equals this is 8. Plus 8.
Yeah.
Remember, what is the relationship between X and Y? X equal Y plus 1/8. Is this the format that the question asks you?
Yeah.
Okay, no, you not only know this, Sam, you know what? This one must have one real plus 2
Obliques.
What's the reason? This is, I will always highlight again and again. This is so important than the solution itself. Is this very neat?
0. Yeah.
I'm tired.
Okay, when you know the cubic is always seems pretty hard, right? But if you really understand, if you go through these lectures in the future, you will not be scared of the cubic anymore. Okay, how about the next question? Can we move on to the next?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, now let's see this. So something cubic roots minus 1 and the cubic roots again equals this, right? So normally when we see this, okay, we don't have anywhere to go. Normally what the direction is starting from here, okay, to see whether we can split the term into this format. So now let's do algebraic manipulation. If this is the case, then what do we have?
Compute A plus B plus
Do you agree with me?
Yeah.
Then the original case,
P.
no problem. Any questions here?
Nope.
Now let's do this. What is T minus 1? 1 over what?
It's 1 over, it's just a big number. 1 over 2, 1 plus.
Cubic, the difference of the cube.
Yeah.
Is this right?
Yes.
Okay, now you think, now next is what I'm thinking. I kind of, I stuck here for a long time. I stuck here for a long time, okay. Did you see, we almost end up as nowhere.
Yeah.
There's no way we have these connections, right? In order to have these connections, what do we wish? let's do wishful thinking.
We wish I could,
I wish my denominator must be a what?
The denominator
Must be something
integer.
of the cubic, right?
integer.
Because you think it's a cubic roots, right? I wish I could forge some cubic and then I take it out. And with if I have some numerator of the GT, then I can have the what? FT of the cubic roots, right? My GT can be, for example, AT plus something A, you know, something B. Then with this take out, right? This is the wishful thinking, and I was stuck for a long time, so I have to think about what the wishful thinking is. Okay, so what kind of things can give us the cube? Think about it. If x plus y of the cube, we need what?
Wait, we have to do this. Or generally.
We need something 3, right? Okay, now let's do this. I'm telling you is how I try to figure it out. Do we, if we want a perfect cube, do we need some coefficient 3?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yep.
Do you guys see it?
Starting to see a t plus 1 cube.
Let me highlight for you guys, okay?
Mm.
What is this?
1 and t cubed.
Then what do we have?
1 plus t cubed.
Sam, did you see it?
Wait, yeah.
This is so important.
3 in a cube.
I stuck here for at least 40 minutes.
No. Wait, what? You thinking on this question for 40 minutes?
I keep thinking, what can make it, what can make it get out of the without any cubic, you know?
Oh,
You know, I try everything. I tried even cube on both sides, you know.
Oh, you're
I
good.
move the A and try cube, but it doesn't work. So my wishful thinking is this.
it worked.
Then this is beauty, right?
That is wish.
Okay, now what do we have? Now t minus 1 of the cube is equal to, is that 1 plus t of the 3 to the cubic?
Yep.
Then the rest will be trivial. Who tell me? 1 plus, what are we going to do?
Oh, we need to multiply by the biggest number in the world.
We need a, do you remember? We need a
That's
1
enough,
minus
1
this
minus
plus
2
4,
plus cube 4.
1 minus this
1 minus cube
plus 4 of this. What is the denominator now? Is that 3?
The denominator.
What's the
Yeah.
denominator now?
3.
Okay. No, did you get it? Do you
Yeah.
guys get this format?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty simple after that.
Yes. So you don't need me to calculate the game for you, right?
Mm.
We
Yeah, I
can
don't
move
think
on,
so.
right?
Yeah, let's move on.
Okay, let's move on. This one.
Oh,
Okay. This one. Okay, this one, I tell you what is my thinking at the beginning, okay, and it doesn't work. So did you see there is a symmetry here. So if I have a function
Yeah,
of
like
the A and B
A and B, same thing.
equals negative 16 root 3, then it tell me B and A I try different things, you know. What I'm trying is I want to see this. I didn't figure it out. This is the first approach what I did. The second one is you know, this is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2. I trying to do, you know, the equation 1 plus 2. You know, I'm trying to do the verbal replacement. I try to do A plus B as a verbal U and A times B as a verbal V, like the Vaidas trying to replace it. And it also doesn't work. Okay, now the next one I start to try, okay? You guys think, what kind of things can give you the A to the 4th and the 4A to the cube?
A plus 1 to the 4th.
Which kind of things can give you?
A minus 1.
A minus 1 to the 4.
4.
Let's expand it, Sam.
It's equal.
Either Sam or Jonathan.
The 4 minus 4A cubed plus 6A squared minus 4A plus 1.
So we have this one, right? Then we need to take out. So this one means do you agree with me?
Yeah.
Now I want to
Wait,
do
it's
this
4,
again.
not
I
3rd.
want to do it again.
Look.
Take out 6 of the A minus 1 to the to the square. Right? We need to add 4A minus 1. What do we need? We take out the plus the 12A, right? Do we need to subtract 12A?
Yeah.
We take out
Yeah.
6. Do we need to plus 6?
Yeah.
Okay, then it means this one equal the A minus 1 to the 4th minus 6 A minus 1 to the square. Then minus 8A plus 5. Right? Okay, then think about it. What's this one and this one, right? And let's do the equation 1 so far. Okay, so the equation 1 becomes A 4th minus 4A squared is already become minus 8A plus 8B. This is the 5, right? So we have the 5 plus 4, right? Plus 16 root 3 equals 0. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Okay, you observe. Is there any complete? I mean, perfect square here?
Well, A minus 1 to the 4th. And the A minus 1 squared. Yeah, those two. Oh wait, we can just group it as one. Hello, are you talking?
Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Who tell me number 2? Take a look. Very, very similar. What is the number 2? Here is a plus
Swap A and
8a.
B.
Let's do it. This is a b minus 1 of
B
the square
minus
plus
1
3.
squared plus 3 squared that
And
minus
then minus
plus
8B
minus 16 square root 3 equals
Plus
0.
8a.
equals 0.
Then what? 3 plus 4.
3 plus 4.
What is that?
Oh, we see this cancels with this cancels with this cancels
Oh, I'm
with
sorry,
this.
it's negative. Plus
C plus b minus 1 squared minus 3 cubed.
2 square add
B.
together is 0. What does it mean?
Both are 0.
Oh, these are 0, these are 0, these are 0.
These are both are 0, right? So A and B can
Yeah.
A and B can A equal B.
Yo.
Take a look. If A equals B, can one be negative and one positive?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Of course, one is bigger, one is small, right? Because the symmetry,
Yeah.
so A equal 1 minus root 3, B equal. Do you need, I keep on calculating for you guys. I don't want to do that anymore. Okay, I think that's it.
Yeah, it's really simple. Just
Name
set them to
Professor
0.
X PhD.
As long as I come out with this, the 3 and the 4, the rest of them will be trivial.
Why is it the name Professor PhD?
What?
Why did he rename himself Professor X PhD?
Which rename it as X Professor PhD? Which one, Jonathan?
He did previously.
Who did?
Samuel.
Oh, somebody did previously? Okay.
Yeah, I was bored.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Okay. This problem.
Oh, this one. Complete the square.
Do we come to the
Complete
cubic again?
Rack. Yeah.
Okay.
Back to the cubic.
Let you and Jonathan, let's do again. Okay. So first,
Hey.
that's great, Professor X. Yeah. So what? How do we make it in the depressed form? The first one. What should we do?
So first, negative 3. Negative b over 3a.
A is equal what?
I got a minus 5, t minus 5, 2 minus 5, 5.
Plus or minus? Think about it.
Minus.
Are you sure? Here is a minus.
Plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, plus
Plus.
5,
Plus
plus 5,
5.
plus 5, plus 5.
Next one's ugly.
Okay, so let me give you the results. Okay, I don't you know how I'm going to listing, right? I'm going to listing with the t cube t squared. Yeah, and then the answer will be t cube minus 55 of the t, then minus 200 equals 0. This is the first.
Great, now we need.
What is the second one? Think about it.
I think we just kick out the 8 first since we don't want. Well, no, we don't need to kick out the 8. It's just 2t minus a fraction. No, plus the fraction.
First, the plus or minus. Think about it. So we need to do what?
The fraction is 15 and it's a plus.
The plus 5 over 2.
Then we can do 8. 5 over 2
Got
cubed
the 8.
minus 60. 5 over 2 square. minus 290. 5
Yeah.
over 2 plus 2575 equals 0. I give you guys the final answer, okay? It is
E to
the
negative 3.
Hey,
u of the cube
what are you doing?
minus 55u plus
Oh, I mean, no,
200
wrong one.
is 0. Okay,
U equal negative T. That make more sense.
okay, how do we proceed? We need a plus b, right?
Yeah.
So Jonathan,
Notice that this one and this one are exactly the same, except for this section.
did you see this?
Section, and the easy section.
You see this, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
That's what I.
so if I see that fx equal to the x squared minus 55x, right? So what is this function looks like?
That.
Is this odd function, even function, where the symmetry is symmetry against what?
Odd function.
Odd function.
It goes like
It's symmetry.
this or something like
Yes, it is. It's odd function
Okay.
symmetry at 0, right?
that. It looks better.
I'm sorry. No. Let me. What I'm doing? Hold on. Let me. Yes.
No.
Yeah. So this one has the 2 roots.
One is 0, 1 is 55.
Yes. So one at here and one at here, right? Because x equal to infinity, it goes very, very big, right? Yes. This goes to very small. That's this one. So now I calculating the local maxima. I use the derivative. For example, if fx equal this, yeah. So I use the derivative. So I calculating the local maxima.
I don't know derivative.
Okay.
What is cubic GIF, which is 4.07 kilobytes?
Okay. I mean, maybe I haven't found any other ways how to do it. I tell you, I calculating these 2 points. This point is somewhere 155. It's negative 155. Means if you want to achieve 200, it must
Let
be
me
within.
see something. Wait,
200 must be here. What I mean is one point is here, one point is here.
What is cubic GIF?
What do you mean cubic GIF?
He sent cubic GIF in the chat.
I don't know. You ask.
Samuel, what is cubic GIF? That one of 4.
Oh, cubic function. Look at the cubic function. Click it.
I know one thing. This one. This is equal to this distance.
Yes.
So I get u equal t, negative t. We are done. Yeah.
So now you know if one function is 200 is here, negative 200 is here. Jonathan, what do we have? We know what? We know u is negative t. Do you agree with me?
Yeah.
If this is the u, this is t. U is negative t, right? So a plus b equals u plus 5 plus t plus the 5 over, t plus 5, u plus 5 over 2, right? U and the t are negative, canceled each other. It's 15 over 2.
Let me get you a picture of the actual graph.
Yeah. Sam, we have to log out again. Then we have to log in for the final question.
No. All right, sure.
All right.
How much more time is it? Let me see.
I
only
think
6 minutes.
Yeah, only one problem.
Wait, maybe we could do it.
Okay. Okay, this one I will do it very quickly. Okay. before
Yeah.
we get disconnected. This
like
one
this
give
one.
you what? You guys think what kind of this kind of binomial expansion, right? But binomial expansion, did you see it's incomplete? Which part is missing? Jonathan goes. Jonathan left. Oh, Jonathan comes in.
Oh, because he just.
Jonathan? Hi, Jonathan. Did you see from the binomial expansion, which part is missing?
From the binomial expansion, the part that is missing is n pick 0.
N pick 0, right? So now let's do it. So can I do A times Bn equals n over 1 of the A, n over 2 of the A square plus n over n of the an?
Yeah.
Then we're missing 1, right?
Yeah.
Become what?
1 plus a to the power of n. And
Okay, now let me
most
quickly
of
do
these
it.
would be about q.
What is a Bn?
Bn is equal to that.
Now let's do B 2006 minus B 2005
minus
is
B
equal to
2005.
A, right? 1 plus A of 2006 minus 1 plus A over
That
2005
again?
is equal to 1 plus A of the 2005 times A over A. Is that right, Jonathan and Sam? Is equal to 1 plus A of the 2005. What is A? A is this, right? Replace.
A in
Is that equal to 4 of the 5, 2 of the 10? Done.
1024, 1024, 1024, 1024,
Oh, make it intense.
1000.
Why it always?
Why it always
Oh, it's muted the entire time. Oh, whatever.
Yeah.
And this one's just this one. This one's like whatever.
Yeah.
This is
So
the shit I got.
yeah.
After the mouse.
Yeah. So Sam, is that clear of this? All the questions has been addressed, all right?
After the mouse.
Okay. Any questions,
Yeah.
Jonathan and
No.
Sam?
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. These yeah. I don't know. These questions help me a lot.
Yeah, at
Explaining.
least you guys, okay, you guys learn the cubic with the depressed form and no worry about the cubic anymore. No scared.
Press.
Bye.
Pew.
Bye.
Okay,
The
bye.
depressed cubic is lacking happy AX squared terms. Bye. Thank you for teaching.
Bye. Bye. Have a great night. Bye.
Good night. Thank
Good
you.
night.
I really
Yeah.
appreciate
Bye.
your help.